Just got done with Justin's truck. Now we are swapping injectors, and we're just glugging fuel away. Hopefully get enough of that soaked up. So let me walk you through what I had issues with. So these are a 2-piece injector, and where this clip goes on, it wasn't seating very well. So what I ended up having to do, I talked with a guy who sells these. There's a weird chamfer. I don't know if you can see that right. See that right there? Between those two clips, between this finger and this finger here. See that weird chamfer there? So the clip would slide off. So what I did is I created kind of like a inverse, like a bevel this way, right here, so that clip would sit on there. You see how it kind of, like, see that? It was never, that purple piece was never out past the clip before, and now it is. See that? I think it's going to work now. Hopefully you can see, but these are in there. The whole issue is that I couldn't get those to work, so I had to chamfer them. Thanks, Tim. But now we got to see if anything leaks. So here is the test. Let's pressure these bad boys up. Key. Not in it. Key. Key. Try that again, huh? Yes, still key to start. All right, prime it. Initial, sounds good. That's good. Take that out of there. Everything sounds good. Injectors done. They look good. I'm gonna test it out tomorrow. So, Justin, I'm so glad your truck's driving, man. I wish I could be at Good Guys with you. I know you wish you could be at NPK with me. We'll be there with each other. Love you, brother. To the rest of you guys, let's go win some races. Drive fast, take chances. See you soon. Oh shit. I'm gonna get some of these tools off the back. You want that breather in your fuel tank, or not worried about it for now? Where'd you do that at? Oh, okay. this wire right here for the sensor, you want me to take some time, tie it out of the way, I'm dragging and getting stuck. So the Good Guys car show is this weekend in Colorado. This is entered in the show, and they've got the Good Guys pre-party tomorrow and still have not driven it. It's Thursday night. We just got the clutch situation figured out. We got the brake situation figured out. First trip around the block, and we're going to Good Guys. Well, I'm not. He is this weekend. So cool. Oh, yeah. So good. Brakes seem like they're working. Oh, we're scraping.
I think we have too much actuation.
In what? In the brakes?
Yeah.
I was wondering with it running if it would be better. See, we can adjust that pedal really close to the floor. You'll still have plenty of brake. Let's not latch. Oh, right there. We were so excited we forgot to latch the hood. Did you have your cooling fan on? I want to do that. Yeah? This one gentle? Oh, that'll do better. Dude, this is the best. The best feeling. Might be last minute, and I'm sorry for rubbing off on you, because that's the way I roll.
Weren't we going to try to not do something like this?